the 10 critical illness rider or the 10 CI rider. Alright? So again, meron din ito sa mga other policies ni AIA, namely yung AJCP, which is a term insurance, and then yung all-in-one. Alright? So, ang 10 CI rider is an additional benefit that provides additional coverage in case of the insured gets diagnosed by any of the listed critical illnesses prior to age 75. So up to age 75 yung coverage. Another thing that we'd like to note is that critical illness should occur 90 days after the policy effective date. So hindi pwedeng may sakit ka, kukuha ka, tinago mo lang. So within 90 days, na-approve ka today, day 91, doon nag-occur ng critical illness, covered na yon. Right? And the insured should be alive after 14 days following the diagnosis of the critical illness. So, kunyari na heart attack, tapos namatay ka agad, hindi babayaran yung critical illness coverage. Yung death or life insurance lang yung babayaran. No, kung nagkaroon ng heart attack, nabuhay within 14 days, ika-15th day, pwede nang i-process yung claim. Alright? So, makaka-claim ka ng critical illness for the heart attack. No? So may benefit ka doon. And then in case of death, kung matuluyan man, separate na makaka-claim ka for your life insurance. Ganun yung 10 critical illness rider. So this is the list of the 10 covered critical illnesses of the 10 critical illness rider. So cancer, coma, end-stage lung disease, heart attack, HIV due to blood transfusion or occupationally acquired HIV, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, stroke, terminal illness, and vital organ transplant. Alright, so if you can see, kahit 10 lang ito. We have a product na yung ACP, no? One of the best health insurances out there. It's a whole life plan, not VUL as well. Ito, it has 57 major illnesses plus 34 minor illnesses and 9 juvenile cases. So 100 critical illnesses yung covered. No, so kung mainly pang critical illness talaga, yun yung binibili natin. But purely critical illness coverage lang siya. If you want a rider para may additional ka na critical illness and then a life insurance, ito yung Max Protect. No? So, and kahit 10 lang ito, if you would see the list, alright, cancer, heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, ito yung major causes of death or major illnesses na nakukuha ng Filipinos or people around the world mainly. So, maganda na rin tong coverage na to. Alright, so that's the 10 critical illness. It's a separate coverage, no, on top of your life insurance coverage. That's why it's a rider. No? It's put into there.